We are in Pella, Iowa. They are very proud of the tulip festival that they have. I believe it's in May. They are also extremely fond of the windmills. Pella is a Dutch town. A lot of little souvenir shops, coffee shops. There's several of those. A couple of bakeries. We'll go into one of those here in a little bit. Cafes and such. Old buildings. Got some nice old buildings. They're very big into bologna. I just happened to look over there. Doesn't that say bologna on that building? Well, I haven't quite figured out the bologna thing. I don't know if there's some specific tie between Dutch and bologna. I really like, they've got like rooftop tables and stuff up there on that building. So we're gonna go through the historical village and check out the windmill and all that stuff here in a little while. They're not quite open yet, but we're gonna go do all that and let you see some of that stuff too. It's a deli. I hope they're not having bologna for breakfast. Whoa. That would be gross. Well, yeah, it's kind of early for all of that. Homemade soups. Dutch delicacies. Well, if we're still up here around lunchtime, maybe we can give them a visit. We'll see. A lot of little meat markets. There's another section of that old downtown. Okay, there you go. There you go. There's some dates. 1893, 1892. And I went in the Dutch Fix there and got myself some coffee. Good coffee. That opera block, that building's dated 1900. That one's got some pretty stained glass in it. But there's the Vermeer windmill, and it's got a story behind it about being like the biggest operational one in the US or something like that. I'll have to find out more information later. But in there somewhere is the historical village, so we're gonna go in there later when they open. Hopefully they're limited capacity, so hopefully we'll be able to get in there. We'll go in the bakery and get some goodies. Dutch bakery that's been family owned and operated since 1898. That's a long time. Chowing down on this cream cheese streusel. What'd you get?
The blueberry
cream cake, I think.
Yeah, cream cake.
Is.
Yep.
But I also got some kind of stuffed puff pastry and Can you hold my yummy goodness there? White chocolate raspberry brownie. These were called goat's legs, but they're like, they had them without chocolate and they called them almond sticks. So get those two. I think that might be it. The puff pastry's got filling in it. Try to get up there high enough so you can see everything. This is the klokkenspiel. Klokkenspel? I don't know. I'm not Dutch. So when the clock strikes 11, 1, 3, 5, and 9, figures come out facing the street and perform. And then you got this nice little gardens area with all these pretty paintings. So those are tile. That's really pretty. So there's the glockenspiel back there. And you walk all the way through, and there's this hugely fancy hotel. And there's a canal. Oh, this is like a little drawbridge. Not sure what they would draw it up for. I mean, really, it's kind of just a, what do you call those, like a lazy floating pool kind of thing.
Yeah, I wish I'd brought my floaties.
Yeah. Magnet fish. There's
Yeah.
coins in there. I don't think most of those are magnetic though. But it goes on back all the way over there. Well, you can't tell me what it was because then it won't come true.
Don't worry, you'd like it too.
Alright, first of all, the sign is clever to use the windmill as your X, but that is the tiniest little business I think I've ever seen. It's so little!
Maybe they have small tacks here.
Uh-huh. Okay. But if you want to read that, I'll show you the sundial here. I've never seen one like this before.